So the ROQ Your Press automatic class will also come with currently it is a 52-page book. Covers everything from mesh selection, it goes into detail, squeegee parameters, off contact, EOM, RZ value, flashing, etc. We are also in the process of working on the ROQ certified press operator. And we'll hopefully have that sort of situated here shortly. For those of you who are using ROQ, there will be a Quizlet that we handle every day. And then once you have completed the course and the Quizlet, as well as successfully printing all the different designs that we've already discussed as far as simulated process, 4-color process, vector, special inks, etc., you will get a certificate that is from ROQ that will be signed both by them and from us, certifying that you are a ROQ certified press operator. For those of you who are not running ROQ presses, as we've mentioned several times before in different videos, you do not have to run a ROQ press to come to the class and benefit from the class. All the pre-press is exactly the same regardless of what press that you're running. And then as far as on press, the variables remain the same. It's just how you control them. The controls may be a little bit different, but outside of that, everything will be the same.